This 1080p video shows how to use HandBrake in Linux to increase the sound volume of the vintage car parade at Napier in New Zealand. I am using Linux Mint and the default browser Firefox for extra privacy. HandBrake works with Windows, Mac and Linux. Click on the red icon to download HandBrake. The camera was mounted on a monopod for stability. To open HandBrake, go down to the panel and click on the HandBrake icon. Once HandBrake opened, I enlarge the window. You have the option to open the source video from any location or drag the video to the center icon, which is what I did. You have the option to change the file name for the new recorded video. No need to change anything in summary. No need to change anything in dimensions. And no need to change anything in filters. In video, change frame rate to same as source and select constant frame rate. Also in video, constant quality 22 is OK. In audio, click on Selection Behavior. Go to the right and under Gain, click on the small speaker icon. I wanted plus 20 dB to increase the sound volume. I close the window by clicking on the X. No need to change anything. Click on Start to begin encoding. Encoding is now finished. Look in description below for YouTube links to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials and a link to the whole vintage car parade. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and forward the link to your friends. And subscribe to this channel to be advised when I upload another Linux video tutorial.